Well, I know it's just what you want, a couple more home improvement updates. So I went ahead and replaced the water heater out here in the garage. Just not because it was bad, but because it was 20 plus years old. And so got that taken care of. Did not make a video on it. Kind of worried about that electrodigital thing down there that's blinking the blue light of death. But supposedly the blue light of death means everything is okay. Might have to order some spare parts just to keep them on hand, keep my parts store stocked up. And then the other thing, well, I got the new shower doors installed on the guest bathroom. This is the other bathroom we have. Another cat lives in here. How nice. But yeah, not remodeling this one quite yet. Maybe down the road. But yeah, new shower doors installed.